Another capability I want to share here real quick is, again, going back to the import feature, is our PDF. Imagine your customer generates their PO out of their ERP system. Well, they log in, instead of emailing that PO or sending it to you via mail or whatever, they can go to their computer, find their PO here, open it, and it will now import the PO, and using our AI capabilities, convert the PO into an order to be imported. So here it's going through our AI capabilities, it's processing the physical PO, and it's converting that PO into an order. Let's see real quick. While it's doing that, here is the PO that I'm converting. It's pulling that information, it's bringing in all of the details of the PO. And if I go back here is the imported PO. So it took a physical PDF purchase order, threw it through our AI solution, converted all of that, pulled all the information it needed, and it populated all of my screen here. As you can see, there were 19 records. And then from here, the customer, they can just start their checkout process. We give them both their PO price, what they're saying is on the PO, and what we calculated as a price, so that they can compare and verify that the pricing all matched. And if there are any differences here on the checkout, we can show them any differences that would appear on between their PO and the pricing that you're calculating for them. So this is the type of functionality that is available with our solution, allowing customers really to quickly and easily place their orders if they know what they want to buy from you. Go through, again, click here to, how they want to pay, select their payment option, place their order, and there is my order number. If we jump over to JD Edwards here real quick, let me just log in. And we go in to order history here in JD Edwards, and I look up my order. There is my order, completely pulled in. Everything is in along with the PO number that they've added, all the pricing. It just works, meaning it's they took an Excel, or they took a PO, or they've added it from the catalog, and it goes in. And how do we do this? Well, we have basically a logic layer, or a business layer, what we call within our application server, that is communicating between the front end CMS solution, Sitefinity, and the back end JD Edwards. So everything flows through there, and we call the same business function logic that you call with your JD Edwards apps. So we can promise you consistency between what you see in JD Edwards and what we process on the e-commerce. And then obviously we call those functions in order to create the order in memory, get the pricing that JD Edwards needs to calculate for that customer and product, and then place that order into JD Edwards and commit it, so that it can just start your pick, pack, and ship process as soon as that order hits you, just like if they would have called the call center and you would enter that order in by hand. And then immediately back on the website, the customer can go back to their order history here and start tracking their order. This order went in on hold for some reason, probably a credit limit check or something, but basically they can start tracking that order and reviewing the status of their orders that they've placed. That's the goal here. One integrated solution, providing all of the information at the fingertips of the user.